A parts list forms the basis for production in all industrial manufacturing companies. But what is unique about the parts lists used at apintra? How do they work, and which options are available? A parts list is a structured layout of single components or other parts lists a specific product consists of. It gives an overview of a product's components, their quantities, and work plan. It also includes the corresponding work steps of every stage and the time needed for each of them. Therefore, parts lists are an essential tool for manufacturing companies. They are used for production planning, assessing material needs, and compiling the time needed in every capacitance range. At apintra, there are two basic types in the area of variant technology. Duplication, the first one, is the possibility of generating a new production list from a master parts list. To achieve this, an existing master or production parts list is duplicated. The new production parts list can be used without any adaptation. However, it can be altered or modified if needed. The second type is the use of master parts lists, which can be filled with variables and formulae concerning quantity, length, and width. If now a production parts list results from this, the formulae are retrieved and replaced with absolute values. This process happens recursively at all levels. Due to their being recursive, the formulae can be highly complex. This facilitates and accelerates production for products with variable values.